Ever wondered how paid advertising management can benefit your business? Well, you're in for an enlightening discussion today. This fascinating realm holds potential for substantial growth and success, if navigated correctly. We're going to explore 5 compelling benefits of paid advertising management, including increased visibility, driving traffic, improving sales, gaining customer insights, and offering competitive advantages. So, are you ready to unlock this treasure trove of opportunities? Stay tuned as we delve into these 5 benefits of turning paid advertising management into a business booster. Firstly, paid advertising management can significantly increase your business's visibility. In the digital age, every business, big or small, needs a strong online presence. And what better way to boost that presence than through targeted, effective advertising? That's where paid advertising management comes in. By strategizing, implementing, and managing ad campaigns on different platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or LinkedIn Ads, you can reach a broader audience. Each platform has its unique audience, and mastering them allows you to create tailored strategies that best fit each platform's audience. It's not just about putting ads out there, it's about making your business visible to the right people. The second benefit is driving traffic to your website. Paid advertising management is a powerful tool to attract potential customers to your site. When managing ads for your business, you can use compelling and targeted ads to generate interest and encourage clicks. However, the key to success in driving traffic lies in understanding your target audience and crafting compelling ads that entice them to visit your site. With the right strategy and execution, paid advertising management can significantly boost your website traffic. Thirdly, paid advertising management can help improve sales. This method is a potent tool for boosting your business's revenue. By creating and implementing effective ad campaigns, you can attract potential customers who are interested in your product or service. The more targeted your ads are, the higher the chances of converting these leads into customers. Remember, the value you provide is directly proportional to the profit you can make. It's not just about selling a product, it's about reaching the right audience with the right message at the right time. The fourth benefit involves gaining valuable insights into customer behavior. By managing your paid advertising, you can gather data on how your audience interacts with your ads. This information can guide your business strategies, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. You can learn about your customers' preferences, their buying behavior, and even the best times to reach them. These insights can help you refine your advertising strategies, improve your product or service, and ultimately, grow your business. Lastly, paid advertising management offers competitive advantages. By effectively managing your paid ads, you can stay ahead of your competitors. You can reach your target audience faster, gain valuable market insights, and adapt quickly to changes in the market. This can give you an edge in the competitive business landscape. To sum up, there are several benefits of using paid advertising management for your business. It can increase your visibility, drive traffic to your website, improve sales, provide valuable insights into customer behavior, and offer competitive advantages. Remember, the key to success in leveraging these benefits is a good understanding of your target audience. So start exploring the potential of paid advertising management today.